Hi guys, so me and Josh,
Yep.
we are going to the spring. We're going to the spring, guys, and then we're gonna upload this one to Josh's channel. Right, Josh?
Yeah, wait right here.
Yeah, that one. Oh, we're here, so just excited to swim.
Pay parking.
Hello. We don't bring a lot of money, guys, for the free parking.
It says pay parking.
Pay?
Yeah.
Okay. To go there. Here. Oh. Babe. Babe.
Hello, everybody. And I'll kind of do a voice over everything.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
One thing is the cinematic, you cannot control it to 5.
I know.
Good morning and welcome to my channel. So this is a day in my life. Okay, we're gonna try today a day in my life as a Filipino vlogger. So now, and I am today with my family, so we are going to build that one, guys, a kubo, a small house made of woods. Coconut woods. Coconut woods, I don't know. Just correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So gonna build this to put some electricity there, and after that we need to have water so that we can start building our house. So I am the 23 years old, the eldest of my biological siblings, and this is my younger siblings, guys, half siblings of mine. That is my stepdad who's helping me to build that one. So I'm so glad that, you know, I got support from my parents, my family. So all my family is here. So we just eat here, guys, in this one. So it's like a simple life living. And this is my mother. My mother, she's tired. And of course I will gonna show you my sister. Hey. Masan yung kuhaan, day? Okay, guys, we're gonna grab some Java plum. Get me something. Do you know Java plum, guys? Java plum. I wanna try. Mag-kuhaan pa lang ka, day. Mag-video-video pa lang ka.
Awat eh, nagkukite.
Hala, day.
No!
Let's try to eat this one, guys. This is Java plum. Hinay-hinay, day, ha?
Oh my God. Lord, itagugulan. Mama, dada. Alote, nakakat-kat ko, te.
Hinay-hinay, day, ha?
Oh my God, nakakat-kat ko. Oh my God, di ko ka. Oh my God,
Tagaaya ko, day.
kanindot sa itaas.
Kila ko din, ano yung ulo diri day, kina may mga kuan.
Panita na to, yatag na umimo.
So guys, we'll going to tell. Hello, okay now. I already. Huh? Okay, we're going to. Can I ask? Hinay ha? Ask my sister to give me some. Nay day, mahugad day, tagbo jud day.
Nauris, mura ni unggoy mo manghod. Nagkurog yung hala, mahagtak ba inon mabura?
That's our neighbor, guys. Typical a peaceful day.
Hala gyatay, kurog.
This Java plum. Try to catch here, guys. Don't worry that my tummy. Natay.
Katkatan niya ako dire Kuya Ronel, di ko kanaog. Dalikon niyo gagdan. My God, magkaw-kaw. Mangaon mo, pagkatkat. Kamay kami, kananak kami. Oh my God,
That guys, Marlene guys, she cannot go down anymore, so she asked the guidance to my stepdad. Kana di cool. Kana ugmang ka. And now we are preparing to have lunch, but I don't want to eat lunch because I'm still so full. Yeah, because my tummy said like you're still full, you shouldn't eat.
Aman kayo, mag-ayahan tagsandok sa kaldero. Ang kilango.
Ayahan na lang mo ay. Kaya ako makidirip ako makaon. Busog akong paminaw.
Yeah, wonder na.
Ikaw na ko kung kanang kuan filan ako nga kuan kay ko. So guys, we are still waiting for kanang another guys. They didn't deliver it yet. I don't know what is it again. Mao para sa ganitong deliver nila sunod ma. So guys, we're still waiting for the delivery. Another forgot. We're gonna leave there because we are so poor now. Ma, because we are so poor now, we need to live here. Because we were going to sell our house in the countryside.
In the country?
Just kidding, they don't understand me. My mom, my stepdad, they're building the kubo for me. You're gonna sleep here. That's all for today. The cow. And there's a lot of land buyers here, guys. I asked Hannah to buy land here, but she's not yet ready because she doesn't receive her pin yet. So lucky me. I mean, lucky me naman. Hannah will gonna be lucky soon.
Kuha na yung ilong. Kuha na yung ilong niya. Imuha niya akong ilong. Niya akong hipon. Imuha. Does it mean your nose?
Ang gusto dong.
You stepped in the poopy.
Gusto dong.
ang kuha niya ni Kuya Josh ba? Yung ngipon. Ako ay niya akong ngipon. Yaha.
Muda.
No entiendo.
He said that kanang his teeth were going to be yours because he was gonna take yours to his.
I mean, if he wants to take that, he's got to take my belly. He's got to take all this fat.
Alula na.
Yeah, show your belly.
Wala na lang ikinito yan.
Oh yeah, come here. I'll trade. Come on. Here. Look at that.
Trademark. Hi guys, another day here. Making a love shack joke lang. Shack wood here. Shack house here in Mylands area. And then my mom just makes some what do you call that? It's like a banana, guys. Bananas. Okay, yeah, it's a banana. And my brother again there. And I feel better today, guys. I feel better. I'm wearing a camouflage. So yeah, it's Josh at the back, at the back line. We're gonna be upload today. Oh yeah, today. Hey mom, what's that again? I don't know how to say that, guys. Maybe I'm going to put something there, the name of it. It's a banana, actually. It's a banana, grilled banana. Yeah, grilled banana. That's a grilled banana, everyone. So yeah, we have so that. Oh, if you're gonna be here, we have somewhere that we can rest on. Guys, they're trying to measure now this one. So the total now that I spent is like 14,000. It's like $240 already that I spent for this, including for the food. So if I was just gonna buy something Kubo, guys, I need to spend like 35,000. So I think this one is better because, you know, it's safe and you can put some. But this is actually including of the walls area, guys, every materials. Yeah, so less than 20,000. Guys, they're trying to cut that one, and then they were going to put it here first, the next there, next here, and there. Yeah. So yeah, this side, guys. Gonna put this on this side. Let's see what they're doing.